Hi everyone, today we are going to learn the Kriti on Raga Hamsadhwani. This Kriti is composed by Sri Tyagaraja Swamigal on Lord Rama. The Pallavi goes like this. Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, and the talam is set as Adi talam. So the Edipa comes like this: 1, 2, 3. Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, Raghunayaka Nipadayuga. So the Edipa is Taka Dimi Taka, Aru Talli. Okay, means after leaving 6 aksharas, we can start the Kriti. So we can practice like this: Taka Dimi Taka, Raghunayaka Nipadayuga. Now we can go as detail. Raghunayaka Ni Sanipa Pada Nisarisa Yuga. Again, Raghunayaka Ni Padayuga. This is the first variant. Coming to the second variant, we can see Raghunayaka. So a small difference in the first word itself. Raghunayaka Raghunayaka. This is the second variant. Raghunayaka Nipadayuga. Rest will be same. So the second line, Raghunayaka Nipadayuga. And the second line of the Pallavi, Rajiva Rajiva Mulane. Again, Ra Ga Ga Paga Paga, Rajiva Mulane, Gapanisa Mulane, Vidajala Shri Raghu Shri. So Shri will come on Sama. Shri Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, Rajiva Mulane Vidajala Shri. This is the second variant. Now the third variant of the Pallavi, Raghunayaka Ka Sariga Pagari Sariba Kani Padayuga, Rajiva will be the same. Mulane Rajiva will be the same. Mulane Gapani Sari Rajiva Mulane Gapani Pagapani Sari Rajiva Mulane Vidajala Shri. So these are the three variants of Pallavi. We can sing together. First variant. Now we can go for the whole Pallavi. Taka Dimi Taka, Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, Rajiva Mulane Vidajala Shri Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, Rajiva Mulane Vidajala Shri Raghunayaka Nipadayuga, Rajiva Mulane Vidajala Shri Raghu Nayaka Padayuga Rajiva Mulane Vidajala Shri Raghu Nayaka. So usually this kriti is sung in the medium pace. So this is the Pallavi.